another This Is What I Ate vegan today. Happy Veganuary. What are you guys eating today? So it's breakfast time. I've already had several cups of coffee with oat milk.
All right.
I'm ready to actually eat some food.
What's it going to be today?
Today we're having a Chobani oat yogurt peach mandarin flavor because it was on sale for 99 cents. I don't like to spend more than $1 for a vegan yogurt. There's some out there that are $3, $4. I can't afford that. So I wait for certain flavors to go on sale. So I've got one of the oat ones here. I've got some of this accidentally vegan organic pumpkin seed and flax granola from Aldi. Put it in the jar to keep it fresher. I don't like all these bags piled up in the cabinet. I feel like the jars are, I could see more of, what's going on in there. So I'm just going to dump that over the top. I'm going to get a nice puppy to help me clean the container and recycle it. So that's always a plus. What are you having for breakfast?
Well, I'm having oatmeal. Surprise, surprise. I can't turn this camera around because
How you want me
this
to
is
take
not
that?
our vlog camera. This is my
I'm in horrible
DSLR.
lighting anyway. I
Yeah,
hope
you
that
are.
wasn't terrible. All right. So we've got Maddie's breakfast. She
So-
woke up like that.
Yeah. I'm having my oatmeal today, and I actually haven't had this in a few days now, so
Yeah.
I don't eat it every single day anymore.
She does actually eat egg sandwiches. Just egg sandwiches.
Just egg, yeah. So the oatmeal hasn't really changed from when I usually make it, except...
You got your blueberries
Yes,
over here.
I like to do blueberry... Well, okay. I do half a cup of the rolled oats in almond milk, and then I cook that in the microwave because I'm lazy. And...
It's not lazy.
It's smart.
Right.
And then I mix in my peanut butter now, and then I put in blueberries on the top.
And you give quite a few blueberries to...
Bowie loves blueberries, so
Lucy
he always
hates
gets
them.
She gets a little treat just so she gets something too.
Yeah.
But this peanut butter is different than what I usually use. This
It's
is like
just peanuts and salt.
right. So because of that, it's not as sweet. So I'm really missing like the sweetness in there.
Which should be a big red flag to you that there was all this hidden sugar.
I
in
understand that, but I
yeah.
also don't want to eat like paste.
Wallpaper paste?
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with it.
I need
I
a
think
little
it's great.
something. So I've been adding just a little squirt of this.
At
Yay,
least that
chocolate
one's
sauce.
not bad though. It's a simply 5 ingredient syrup.
Yeah.
Is not all those preservatives and everything in there, so that's better than just like a straight up bad for you, syrup.
Sometimes I'll use agave, but
Yeah.
sometimes I use this. Today's one of those days, so
Enjoy.
thank you. All right, guys. Whew. It is 1:48 p.m. Is it really? Oh my god. So I have been editing, I've been answering all of your lovely comments, and now I am ready for a snack because I am planning on getting on the exercise bike before lunch. So I just need a little something to get me through that bike ride before lunchtime. So I am having Made Good. Yay! I love these so much. And the reason that I'm having these two little ones is because we couldn't find them for the longest time. And then luckily Mom was able to find some that were supposed to be given out as like Halloween treats. And it's still the same thing. It's just in a smaller portion. These are like half size. So that's why I'm having 2 of them. But yeah, Made Goods are so perfect for like pre-exercise, like a pre-exercise snack because they're substantial enough, but they're also not too heavy. So I'm into it. Hey there.
It's so cold today.
Yeah.
I have my blanket poncho on.
Sir.
I know. If I win, you win. Here. All right.
So we're about to have some lunch. What do you have going on here?
I have a little piece of the spinach quiche that we have left
Yum.
over from the other day. And some...
If you want to see a video for that, by the way, we have one, so just go back a few videos and it should be there.
Yeah, we have a video for this too, but it's not recent. The white bean chili.
Oh, yeah, this
Over
was from
some
last
nice
night.
rice. Yeah, this is left over from last night. But what do you have?
I'm having the other part of the quiche.
Right.
Beautiful. And then I'm having leftovers from kale salad night the other
Quinoa
night.
kale salad.
Yeah, which we also have a video for. So it's got...
That was so good.
It really was, yeah. Kale, quinoa, onion,
Tofu.
I don't think there's any tofu left in there, but...
Probably no green beans either, huh?
I think I had like one in there.
Oh.
I scooped it out. Tomato, and I just have little droplets of this like ranch dressing that you made the other day. There wasn't much left of that.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Delicious. I'm starving because I didn't have a snack today, so I can't wait to dive into this. All right, it's snack time.
Yay!
I had a tiny little crust of bread, like a little rat.
Uh-huh.
Like a little bread rat.
Yeah.
And I'm planning on having a somewhat healthy amount of these waffle fries that are kind of rancid, but...
Are they rancid though?
They're a little...
Did you say fries?
What?
Fries? Aren't they chips?
Did I say fries?
Yeah.
Chips. They're like waffle cut, but smell it. It smells like old.
I don't know.
I just
I'd
got them too.
I'll probably have one or two.
Okay.
But I'm also having clementines. Yeah. Looking good.
I guess you think you're better than everybody else.
No.
Really?
No.
All right, Maddie, try hard.
Oh, wow.
Hi, it's dinner time and it's pizza night. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful vegan pizza.
Yeah, this has the Violife cheese on it with, this is my homemade crust. Ooh. Yes, I know. He's already waiting for the crust. I usually give the dogs a little bit of my crust every time we have pizza, so he's already waiting. He's very smart.
Sir.
So it has the Violife shreddies with the field roast Italian stage sausage. So
Nice. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy that. And how'd you prepare the broccoli tonight? It was a little bit
broccoli
different.
was on a sheet pan, roasted in the oven at 450 with some olive oil and the magic seasoning salt.
Nice.
Thank you, Dom DeLuise. Paul Prudhomme. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Tis the season.
Dessert time.
So these are some markdown cookies from Sam's Club that are accidentally vegan.
They're so good.
We have fudge-covered grams. I know, I couldn't believe these were vegan either, but apparently it's just chemicals.
I'll take it. And those
So-
have like a caramel drizzle over them.
Right.
Caramel. Again, accidentally vegan.
Chemicals.
Mm-hmm.
So we've been doing 2 cookies each every night.
They're so delicious.
So that brings us to the end of the... It's the end of the video!
That's what we ate today.
This is by no means a suggestion of what you should be eating. This is just what we ate on any given day today. So I hope you get some inspiration from it. I hope you realize that we're just normal vegans trying to live our lives, eating garbage sometimes, eating healthier stuff other times. I mean, we try, but can you pass up the cheap cookies?
No.
No. So that's it. That's all, folks. Hope you subscribe. Stick around for more. Hope your Veganuary is awesome. And until tomorrow, much love.